What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. It's Mike from Slow Speed. We are at European Auto right now, and here's my 435. This video really doesn't have anything to do with European Auto, but I'm just here. I wrapped up a video on the bolt breaking, so I figured let me start the Autoflex video. So pretty much today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to walk around the car and talk to you guys about the process, Autoflex, kind of what it is, a little more in depth, how it's laid on, the steps, how much I paid, and am I happy about it now? It's been about a month. First off, I think I gotta wash the car because, yeah. I don't want to give you guys a review of the car when it's dirty about the Autoflex. So when I get everything situated and cleaned up, check out this intro.
I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. God out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the right, yeah, he kinda nice. Inside of my mind, I'm as real as me. Lately, life has been gorgeous. Wake up the clear, my eyes hit record. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no bitch. Swinging and miss, got me hitting these licks. I get the orders, don't get it distorted. Disconnected, I've been cordless, I've been cordial, I've been exploring. I got a whole lot, but somehow I want more of it. Yeah, I wanna tour it, put on for the soil. Hey, bruh, remember they used to ignore us. Now they drop me the tape with the cord and they catch me running through the ordinance. Remember we couldn't afford the whip. Pushing the scraper, that shit was so ageless. We blowing on grapes for the flavors. All of a sudden we major, still independent by no label. For now I'm going hard enough that the streams will lead to a house by the beach. All of this done with the speech. Filling my pockets for now, for later. I want the payments since all of the labels. I used to skip out on the payments. Nowadays I tax for the labor. Dog on the line, yeah, tapping in. I'm staying clear, fake rapper friends. Kamikaze on the traffic cam. Only one shot to navigate the labyrinth of keeping it lit, burn it down to the ash. My life been much more than imagine.
This video is long overdue about the 435 and the Autoflex process. I know I've been calling a wrap, a liquid wrap, but it's really Autoflex. I'll break it down to you guys in steps. I have some pictures up here. Prodipper went ahead and showed me along the week step process of getting the car wrapped. So first thing you start off with is you wash the car. That was step one. Step two, clean it all down, I guess, with alcohol. Then he laid down, I guess, the primer base coat, which is gray. You'll see it in this picture right here. The actual radioactive green, the pearl goes over top of that, and then the clear coat. He did a little bit extra, which is a process called flow coating, which he sanded it down again once he got finished, and then clear coated it one more time. And this is what you get, the final product. Now the reason why this differs from a regular wrap is because it goes down in coats, just like paint. So like I said, it's removable like wrap, however, it sprays down like paint. It looks like paint, it's buffable, sandable, polishable, and yeah, removable.
Take some off right now?
No, we're not taking it off. I've yet to remove it. However, he told me that nothing underneath will be damaged. So if something ever happens where we need to remove it, I'm definitely gonna go ahead, pull a camera out and show you guys what's underneath, because one of the major issues with wrap is it has that glue residue on it. So once you take that off, especially over time, it might change the color of the car a little bit, or just leave that sticky residue, which would be a nightmare to remove. Right now I have the car in the sun and I have it washed. I have a whole set of wash videos again, and why I'm not utilizing a lot of washes out here that a lot of people think work. It does not work for me. This car actually has swirl marks on it from the first wash that I got it from the wash. And yeah, I just don't recommend it. Majority of them, they just wash cars, I guess, for cash. They have a quick turnaround. They wash several cars at a time, and their goal is to just push volume out there. Whereas something like this is special, and I would like a little bit more attention, a little more care to it, because I spent the money on it. So I don't want it to get pushed in and pushed out just like any other car in the car wash. It's a a little more attention to it. So actually my boy Calvin, shout out to him, he went ahead and put me on to this guy out there, Minty Detailing, who hooked it up. They show real good attention to the cars, you know, they take their time with it, and they don't use that funky brush that a lot of those places use on the wheels and then the side of the car a little bit. That pisses me off. This is a radioactive green over pearl with clear. So it's a custom mix. So if you guys want to get this exact color, I'm sorry, please don't try, because this is specific to me. So yeah, copy me. No, but in all reality, yeah, if you want this color, it's radioactive green pearl mix. It's a custom mix, and yeah, just hit up Prodipper. And I know there are a couple other people out there in the world that does it as well. I just know Prodipper because he obviously did it for the car. He did a pretty bang up job. We're gonna go walk around the car a little bit. I guess as I'm talking to you guys, but first off, I just want to get over price. Now, Prodipper starts around $2,500. He goes all the way up to about like $3,300, and that can include things like matching calipers. He can also autoflex the wheels. Everything he could do that is on the car. And what he does is he does mask it off. It's not like plastic dip. He doesn't paint over everything and just peel off as he goes along. He does mask off, as you guys are probably seeing some of the pictures.
It's like a legit paint job.
Yes, it's like a legit paint job. Now, with it being like a legit paint job, you do run into some issues, like if it's not masked 100% properly, you do get some overspray or just some type of tape lines in the paint, and it did happen on this car. This car is not immune to that. The world is not perfect, people not perfect, as we just seen 2 seconds ago. But yeah, world's not perfect, people's not perfect, people do make mistakes. It's not really all about the mistakes in time with the product. It's about the customer service. Like I said, I hit up Prodipper, address some of the issues that I had with it, and he told me, yo, listen, whenever you're free, just bring it up and we'll get it taken care of, and we're gonna deal with it that way. Now, one thing I can say is I'm still really anal about it and very precautious about it, because while I know I heard it sticks like paint and wrap and it's self-healing and everything like that, but it's still in the mind that it's like healable, so I don't want anybody brushing up against it. I don't want anybody sitting on it. You know, I don't want anybody taking shots at it with a blade to see how nice it really is. Please don't do that, because you guys be pissing me off when I be walking out to my car and somebody's sitting on it. Just understand, I might approach you a little bit upset, but you gotta understand that if I pay a lot of money for something, I just don't want somebody to destroy it, because yeah, so far it's been durable. I mean, I brushed up against it with my side a little bit, getting out of the car, grabbing stuff. It has yet to peel, push, pin, anything on me. Like I said, I've been very anal about it, and I mean, so far so good. I washed it once from the wash and they went ahead and put swirls in it, so I'm a little upset about that, but I'm not gonna get it buffed and polished yet. I'll probably do it when it gets a little warmer in the summertime. Might do a little series on that as well, just to see how well it holds up past there. But other than that, pretty damn good. Let me know what you guys think. Versus wrap, I will say right off the bat, I kind of prefer the Autoflex just because of the fact that if you look up here, the center is still wrapped black. However, the Autoflex is on the trim pieces on the side and the rear antenna piece. So you can take a look at the differences of how the wrap looks a little bit faded and just scratched up a little bit, whereas the Autoflex is like flat, it's like straight glossy black. Now, over time, we will be keeping an eye on this to figure out really which one is superior. But just right off the bat, you can automatically tell. If you look right here at the wrap, it has a pattern to it too as well. You see, it has like a blotchy pattern, almost like a very small camo. You see it? Like it's like, you see it? It's like not clear, but you see how this is like straight. Yeah, this is straight, just straight clear, like I guess like paint. This is, I gotta pull it up, but I'll put down below what kind of wrap this is. It's not cheap wrap. I think it's something that's very thin. Avery, yeah, Avery 1080 something, I think, wrap. So it's not the cheap stuff. So with that being said, I mean, if you want to wrap your car black, it'll look like this eventually, I guess. Whereas Autoflex, it stays more like paint. It feels like paint, actually. We're gonna get the calipers changed, and I'm changing the color of the wheels as well. I've been looking for wheels to change this car, but to be honest with you, there's only one other wheel that I would have went with, and they really haven't hit me back up for any type of thing, and I don't feel like paying full price for it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep these wheels. They are nice. They are, I mean, I'll link to you what other wheel I was gonna go with. You think I should tell them or not? Okay, just in case they hit me back up. But yeah, so my bad. I'm not gonna tell y'all what wheel I was gonna go with, but that was the only other wheel. It was a lot cheaper wheel. But something like this, Vorsteiner, you know, the name, the brand, how strong they are, they last. So at the end of the day, yeah, I don't want to give up something like this and get something else a little cheaper if I gotta pay full price for the cheaper stuff. That makes sense. That makes sense. So yeah, that's what happens when you buy your favorite thing in the beginning. You kind of don't want to, you know, I don't have the money for HREs. I don't have the money for any of the other stuff. 3-piece wheels, whatever you call it. I don't have the money for that. So this is the best thing that my money can buy, and that's just what I'm sticking with. We're gonna get the wheels all polished up, all repaired, because they do have some dents in them, and we're gonna paint them. I'm not gonna tell you what color. Just stay tuned. You guys are gonna see it. My first impression on getting this wrap, when you see it, it is bright. It is freaking bright. It stands out like a motherfucker. But if you guys do not know, that's kind of my slogan, the slow speed stand out, because I mean, that's what I wanted to do with this car. I will admit, I didn't think it was gonna be my daily until we blew up the Honda, one. And then two, it's fucking bright. It is real bright. It was no noticeable when I got it out. I was just gonna drive it around just to film, because I didn't think I had time to handle that. All the questions and things of that nature. But you get used to it after a while, trust me. I've been driving it for about a little over a month now, and I'm 100% used to it. I barely even know how bright it is until somebody mentions it, or I park next to another BMW and I go, holy shit, it's bright. You can literally see this car from a mile away. But it looks fucking sick. It goes up great against the black grille. It just complements all the modifications that I've been doing leading up to the point of getting this car wrapped. Would I recommend it? I would definitely recommend something like wrap or Autoflex. However, I'm leaning a little bit towards Autoflex because, well, one, I have it. Obviously, there's a reason why I have it, because I think it's superior. And just two, because different and you can make unique colors. With wrap, you pretty much only stuck to colors that they provide. Get a little more creative, a little more funky, and just fine tune and make the color that you really want. I want to make everything kind of link up together. One thing though, I'm keeping the BMW emblem original. A lot of people recommended or suggested I make it carbon, I make it blue, I make it black, I do something. I'm keeping it the same way. BMW's had that emblem on their cars, no matter what color it comes out the factory. Who am I to change it? And it kind of looks good. I know it's blue and green, but what do you think? It still look damn good, you know what I mean?
It's a Beamer, so you look at Beamer, you think the fucking
yeah, exactly. And one of the things I realized too is I don't want a front lip on this car anymore. I don't know, it looks super aggressive. Like, just looking at the regular M Sport, it looks so aggressive, and that is green, bro. It's fucking green already. I could put a black lip on the bottom and it might look okay, but in all reality, I like the way how it just is green and it cuts off. You know what I mean? And then, you know, if I put a lip on it, it's gonna look like you're gonna see a gap, and then the lip, and I always put them damn springs on there. Thank you.
Phillip.
Thank you, G. I put them goddamn springs on there, so it scrapes anyway. I get a little scared because, like I said, it's something expensive, it's something I paid for, and I don't want it to get destroyed so soon. I want to at least rock it out to the summer. And yeah, so we're gonna be going forward. If something happens, I'll let you guys know. But yo, look at this shit right now, no lie, look at it right now, in the sun. You can see the green with the little pearl, it has that depth. Like, wrap is just like one-dimensional, you know what I mean? Like, this has that depth. You can see like different colors in it without it intentionally being different colors. You get what I'm saying? To be honest with you guys, I learned in building my cars, doing car builds, I'm more for performance, and I do want to stand out. However, I'm really not like a lip spoiler diffuser kind of guy, like carbon, all that stuff like that. I'm really not. I mean, I like the way it looks. It's kind of like a lot of tattoos, you know. I don't really like a lot of tattoos on me, but personally, I like the way it looks on other people. That's how I like my car, you know. I like my car to be clean and simple, however, effective, I guess. And this, I feel like, stands out. I could throw 1,000 carbon fiber lips on it, whatever the case may be, but the cost of those things versus the cost of going all out and changing your color is like, it don't make any sense to me, you know. Like, there's some lips that's $500, diffusers. What you got? Come on, tell me some price. You know they're expensive. You might pay $500-600 for a carbon fiber lip. And I know people who, let me see who texted me. I know people who crack their lips and then just go buy another carbon fiber lip. No lie. So it's like, that's $1,200 on lip gone right there. Whereas $2,500, you change your color to something unique. But so that's pretty much what I'm trying to explain to you guys. I really learned the kind of person I am. Simple thing. I'll make a whole other video and I want to ramble, but yeah, I mean.
You want to ramble? The video's 20 minutes long.
You. Anyway, yeah, so I mean, tires, wrap, wheels, lower. I mean, that's pretty it. Canards too much. Canards are too much. And them goddamn. Don't crash, bro. This microphone's so you gonna get the out. Alright, we good. You ready? Let's go.
Are you ready?
Yeah, ready. Go.
That cone was not there before. He put it there now. because Mike want to be a dumbass and park in the middle of the fucking city.
Yo, next spot.
Next spot?
I
Let's
don't
go.
know, I just find them.
I'm weak.
Yo, bro, I just literally drove past.
All right, let's go. I'm gonna park.
You want the mic?
Yeah.
You know that's your mic?
Where's your mic?
I left it at my sister's house.
Oh. I know. I don't care. No matter.